Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today we're unboxing this 1996 live-action animated film called Space Jam with the entire cast of Looney Tunes, including Michael Jordan, Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, and introducing Lola Bunny. Here we have a one disc only Blu-ray, eco-friendly case with no artwork inside. And the disc is so disappointing. They could have done so many things here. Be all colorful and all, but no, just black. Comes with 11 different audios and subtitles including English, Master Audio 5.1, as well as French, German, Italian, Spanish, Castilian, and Portuguese. And for special features, it has audio commentary by Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck and the director, one featurette, and 2 music videos, plus a trailer, all in standard quality. And since we're talking about Space Jam, I'm gonna take this time to unbox 2 of my Space Jam toys from McDonald's. Here we have Bugs Bunny. He comes with a full uniform, including a team hat, shorts, and a basketball. And here's Daffy Duck. He has blue shorts, full uniform, and he looks like a team player. And here's Tweety. And here are my Space Jam toys. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. And stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection. See you next time.